Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss and show you how we record the test script by using the Playwright and JavaScript. Okay, so in the previous tutorial, I have given example and show you like how we record the test by using the Visual Studio Code extension. So there I have given the options and show how we record the script. But now in this tutorial, I'm going to show how we record the test and how we use the recording features of the Playwright from by using the command line. So what command we need to run? So there is npx playwright. Okay, then there is a code gen. It will generate the code. So along with the npx playwright, we need to pass the code gen option and then space pass the URL. Okay, so now it will open the code gen. So here you can see there are two windows open. One is the uh, browser where it is navigating the URL, and second window you can see this is the Playwright inspector, which will capture the request, all the actions if we perform anything on the page. It will capture and add the steps here. Okay, by default it is generating the code in JavaScript format. Okay, let's do something like I'm going to enter username and then password. So admin tab, in the password field I'm entering admin 123. Click on login button. Here you can see all the action what we did. Okay, it is captured here in the Playwright inspector. Like I perform the click on the user input field, you can see it captured. Next I perform the I fill the admin, right? Step is you can see captured. Next, I press the tab to move our cursor in the password fields. This is captured. Here you can see click admin password field. Click action is captured. Next up, enter the password field and then click on login button. So these are the actions which will automatically captured. Now we can stop the recording, okay, and copy the code, same code. Like suppose that I am copying the test here. Go to your Visual Studio Code and add the methods. Copy and paste. Code is added here. Okay. Now we can run here and check. This is running in headless mode and we can here verify. Executed successfully. Now if we want to close the inspector, okay, we can press here Control C. Okay, it will automatically close. So this is very nice feature provided by the Playwright, where as a beginner we can record and capture the test script. Okay, and one more thing, by default it will capture the test script in the JavaScript format. Okay, but there is option we can convert these script into different programming language. Like if I want to change this in the Java, there is option. Yeah, this is completely converted into the Java programming language. We have other options, PyTest or Python. We have MS Test and Unit, right? We can convert and we can use this. So directly we can close from here, close the browser. You will see this is terminated. Okay, so thanks for watching the video and hope this will be helpful.